For centuries, the mighty Mississippi River has shaped the landscape, culture, and economy of the American heartland. Stretching more than 2,300 miles from Lake Itasca in Minnesota to the Gulf of Mexico, it drains nearly half of the continental United States. But living beside such a powerful river has always meant living with the risk of floods. To manage that risk, Americans built one of the largest flood control systems in the world, the Mississippi River levee system. A levee is a raised embankment built along a river to keep floodwaters from spilling into nearby land. Natural levees formed over thousands of years as rivers deposited sediment along their banks, but most levees along the Mississippi today are man-made. Early settlers quickly learned that seasonal floods could devastate farms and towns. In the early 1800s, landowners and local communities began building simple earthen levees to protect their property. These early levees were small and often disconnected. One levee might hold while another fell just a few miles away. As farming expanded and steamboats moved goods up and down the river, it became clear that a larger coordinated system was needed. In the late 19th century, the federal government took a larger role in river management through the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Engineers began strengthening and extending levees along much of the river in an effort to guide floodwaters safely downstream. But the Mississippi remained unpredictable. In 1927, the river produced one of the worst natural disasters in American history, the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927. Weeks of heavy rain overwhelmed the levees across several states. Entire towns were submerged. Hundreds of thousands of people were displaced, and millions of acres of farmland were flooded. The disaster led to major changes in how the river was managed. Congress expanded federal flood control efforts, and over time, the levee network along the Mississippi and its tributaries grew into a massive, coordinated system. Today, the levee system stretches for more than 3,500 miles. Some levees rise several stories high and can be hundreds of feet wide at their base. Built mostly from compacted earth and clay, they are carefully engineered to withstand the tremendous pressure of floodwaters. Along the lower river, through places like Memphis, Greenville, and New Orleans, these levees form a protective barrier between the river and the communities behind them. From the riverside, a levee might look like nothing more than a grassy hill, but inside it is carefully designed structure. Wide bases help distribute pressure from rising water, while layers of compacted soil help prevent seepage beneath the levee. Even so, the Mississippi constantly tests these barriers. The river naturally shifts its channels, erodes banks, and carries huge amounts of sediment towards the sea. During periods of high water, enormous pressure builds against the levees that hold it back. Because of this, levees must be monitored and maintained year-round. Engineers track river levels and inspect the levees regularly, especially during floods, watching for warning signs such as seepage or sand balls. Even with modern engineering, the Mississippi River can never be completely controlled. Yet these levees have made it possible for cities, farms, and industries to thrive along one of the world's great rivers. Here at the levee near Winterville, just north of Greenville, you can see the scale of this system. Just beyond the levee flows the powerful Mississippi River, the same river that built the rich soils of the Mississippi Delta and continues to shape life along its banks today.